So today is the start of a new tour. I got a 3-day break and now there's a new group of 6. I'm doing this exact same tour as last tour, Highland tour, but we start at the south coast of Iceland and we are now at Dyrhólaey, which is, you know, I've been here quite a bit, but there's always something to shoot here. It is a puffin island. I talked about this before. To shoot puffin here, you might get lucky, you might not. Today, we're lucky. You see those people over there? Puffin is just there at their feet, so there's a lot of puffin. I'm trying to do a really long exposure. I felt this scene here would be nice if I would calm it down completely. I don't do a lot of that, but I'm doing it now. I put on my 10 stop, but that wasn't quite enough, so I added my 6 stop. So I have a 16 combined of 16 stop down, which gives me about 5 minutes at f11 and ISO 100. And the result is good. You know, it's not my favorite kind of photography. This super soft stuff, but I do like this shot. So when we came here just like half an hour ago, it was raining really heavy, but the clouds were heavy, so that's why I wanted to shoot. So I brought all my stuff and then we got sun, which wasn't what I wanted, but you know, there's always a photo. There's always a photo, and sometimes you just have to work for it a little bit. And sun is not that grim at the moment. It's somewhat diffused behind the clouds, and so it was really nice there where I shot the previous photo, but I'm seeing, well, where I'm going now, it has a lot of glare in the water, and the sun isn't really in the right direction for polarizer. It might soften it a little bit, but let's see how it goes. So now I'm shooting this beach here and the kind of this nice art. It's a beautiful composition. It's very simple, but just, as you can see, it's a bit too much sun right now, and it's creating a lot of glare in the water. But when I do long exposures like this in broad daylight, it's, you know, it's just a few minutes. I don't really, I ballpark it. So I'm doing this. It was darker on the other side, so now I'm doing like 2.5 minutes, 2.5, 3 minutes. I will see how that goes, and then I'll just adjust from that, and maybe I will end up with a decent exposure. My only worry is how this is gonna turn out, how the reflecting light on the water surface is gonna turn out. So, you know, it is what it is. But the clouds in this direction is really cool. I only need a foreground for that. Here, the sun is right behind there, so it's a problematic to hit the right exposure here with long exposure, but we'll see how I go with that. So I'm at 100 seconds now, so 200 seconds. Let's try that. See how that goes. After this, we're just gonna go check into the hotel. Soon we will have dinner and then we will go out to shoot again. It is starting to get a little shorter, the day. So now sunset is around 10. So at location at 8, then we have 2 good hours to shoot, at least, depending on the clouds. If it's completely clear, we have 3. If it's cloudy, we have 2, around 2. I'm not gonna shoot puffin today. I'm just gonna leave that to the others, and you know, right now this would be nice, but well, let me see. I'm gonna stop this exposure. It actually doesn't look that bad, you know. So this was, let me see. Yeah, this was about 180, 200 would have been nicer, but now I have no sun. So I'm gonna try again, and I'm free of the reflective surfaces on the ocean. And look at that mountain over there. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but wouldn't it be awesome if I could just shoot that and not have the glass toilet in my frame? That would be so nice. You know, thank you toilet people, you messed up my frame. But I guess people need to piss. But why does it have to be a glass building? Well, enough of that. So, here's my frame. Both of my frames again. So we are ending the day at Reynisfjara Beach, sometimes called the Black Sand Beach. And well, it is around sunset, 11:30, but there's a lot of people here still. So, well, you can maybe see it here down at the beach. So what I did, I did a really long exposure like I'd done earlier today from Dirley, and also I just did details. You know, you just work with what you got. Now there was just too many people for the epic shots at the peaks, you know, with a little bit of movement of the ocean, and there was just no way I could get that. So I did this photo, this long exposure, and now I'm just finding textures like that, you know, sometimes with a little flower in the rock, like up there, a little bit of flower in this harsh environment. It does look cool. So here is what we got today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.